Everything accounted for on the manifest?
Yes, just double checking the quality on these beams. Check this harness connection again, just to be safe.
Looks fully seated from here. We are clear for final. Check the laser alignment on section 4. It needs adjustment.
All right, I see it. Moving it now.
Does this fit snugly around the support beam? Almost. Trim a little more off the top edge.
Watch the rear corner. Steady, steady. Green light on the laser, we are good to set.
Alignment confirmed. We are locked in. All right, perfect, we got it. Running the final diagnostic sweep now.
Confirmed. All systems green. Check the alignment on the laser B.
Looks absolutely perfect, A. The grain matches seamlessly.
The drain line is secured. How are the electrical connections?
Just clicking the last harness in now. Power system stabilizing. All circuits nominal on my end.
Confirmed. HVAC and lighting controls are fully responsive.
I can't believe the level of detail in here. It's like a 5-star hotel. Yeah. And the ride must be incredibly smooth.